Hello everyone, this is just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Art3d peel and stick backsplash. This is the blue color. So we really do like how it looks. The seams you can see are really nice, but it just has a really neat look. Kind of looks like water a little bit. So let's take a closer look of the sheets.
What I really like about it is with the cutouts over here, another sheet will say overlap here. So that's very easy to know where to put these, and then you can peel and stick and put those really close together and close that gap. What they do suggest is when you start, so you have a flush surface on one side to start by a wall, is to just simply cut it. And it cuts very nicely, and then that would start at the side of the wall, and then you would have this side over here that would overlap with your next sheet.
Okay, if you're going to start against the wall, you're going to cut this side, because this, whenever you peel the steel and this sticky part off the back, that overlap is still there, and so the next one has to go on top of that. And then you'll keep going, and then there'll be another one, then you put that on top of that. That never gets cut away. So when you want to go against the wall, cut this off. Okay, here's the measurements. Overall, it is about 11.5 inches. Height, about 11 3/4. Again, it's not very thick, but it's easy to cut, and I think it looks really good.